While insurance may seem like a nuisance for many people, it is an extremely important puzzle piece in your overall financial picture. If you were injured and totaled your car in a car accident, would you be able to pay for all of your medical expenses and replace your car without insurance? Insurance helps to transfer risk of loss from you as an individual to a larger group who is also paying insurance premiums just like you. There are various types of insurance, and you may or may not need them all, but we'll discuss the basic types and why they may be important for you to have. The first and probably most common type of insurance is auto insurance. Most states require you to have at least a minimal amount of auto insurance. Auto insurance can cover damage to your vehicle, damage to someone else's vehicle, medical expenses associated with an accident, and financial liability to others. If you drive, it is essential that you have auto insurance. To get the best rates, we recommend using a property and liability insurance broker to obtain quotes on auto insurance at no cost to you. The next type of insurance that everyone must have is health insurance. Health insurance became mandatory for all U.S. citizens under the Affordable Care Act. There are various types of health insurance, and you can obtain health insurance through your employer, your state's health exchange, or the government's health insurance marketplace at healthcare.gov if your state does not have an exchange. Another type of insurance that most people should have is homeowners or renters insurance. These insurances can cover the cost of damage to your dwelling as well as property within your dwelling. It can also cover liability and medical expenses of others if an incident occurs within your property. Most mortgage companies require you to have homeowners insurance, and most landlords require renters insurance. Once again, you can get quotes from a licensed property and liability insurance broker at no cost to you. If you have people dependent on your income, whether it be a spouse, children, or both, you should consider obtaining disability insurance and life insurance. Disability insurance is designed to replace a portion of your income if you are unable to work for a short or long-term period of time. Short-term disability insurance can typically be obtained through your employer. Long-term disability insurance can typically be obtained through your employer or a private long-term disability insurance company. If you have a substantial amount of emergency reserves, or if your spouse's income is sufficient to cover your household expenses, you may not need short-term disability insurance. However, long-term disability insurance may be valuable to obtain in most cases. Disability insurance quotes can be obtained from a licensed life and health insurance broker at no cost to you. Similar to disability insurance, life insurance was created to replace a loss of income. However, in this case, that loss would be due to death. If you don't have anyone dependent on your income, then you don't need life insurance. However, if you have a spouse or dependent children, you should consider obtaining life insurance. Most employers offer life insurance. However, group life insurance does not go with you if you were to leave your employer. We typically recommend those that need life insurance obtain a term policy outside of their employer so that those dependent on your income will be covered during the most critical years of their lives. Like disability insurance, life insurance quotes can be obtained from a licensed life and health insurance broker. The last type of basic insurance is long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance covers a portion of the costs associated with a nursing home, assisted living facility, or in-home care. According to the United States Department of Health and Human Services, 48% of people turning 65 will need some type of paid long-term care services in their lifetime. Long-term care insurance can be expensive. When considering long-term care insurance, you may want to obtain enough insurance such that your premium allows you to balance your quality of life in retirement while still providing enough coverage to meet your future care needs. Long term care insurance quotes can be obtained from a licensed life and health insurance broker. Insurance is necessary to help avoid catastrophic financial obligations due to those unexpected events in our lives. Do your due diligence by obtaining quotes from reputable, independent insurance brokers to allow you to get the most bang for your buck and stay covered.